What is up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. I'm over here working on a Jeep Compass, and the complaints was the customer was driving and the car would stall out. So here we have a replacement straight from Mopar itself. If you want to pause the video, you can get the part number there, 05033307AE001. So like I said, the complaint was the car was stalling out when it would come to a stop, like a hard stop, or it was just idling. Sometimes it would die on him. So that's the crank position sensor, which is located in the back, which I'll show you now. It's a pain in the butt to get to. So you want to go right here. You see the oil cap, or the edge of the valve cover. You're going to look straight down. The harness is going to be connected through there. It's a 3-prong harness. So you'll see that. As you can see, let me just show you here. So it's going to be a 3-prong harness with a 10mm bolt. And I'm going to show you exactly where it's at now. It's a pain in the butt to get to. And what I used was a 1/4 inch with an extension that has a swivel. I think you could get away without the swivel, but a 10mm deep socket, an extension, and a 1/4 inch ratchet. I'm going to show you exactly where it's at. You can see right there. If you move the shield back, that's where you can see the sensor. So the sensor is going to go right there. I'm going to install the 10mm bolt back in there, which goes on top. You can see there. And then we'll go ahead and we'll check for codes, reset any codes that are present, and that's it. So let me do that now. All right, so here's the new sensor. I'm going to install it like so. So when I go to apply this in, I'll twist it, and it should go right in. If you want to put some some lubricant to grease this O-ring, you can do that. That way it'll slide right in. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to install it like so with my finger on top of the bolt. That way I don't lose the bolt, because it's a tough spot to get this in. So I'm going to do that now, and I'll tighten it by hand until it catches the threads, and then I'll tighten it with the 1/4 inch ratchet. All right, guys, now that we have the sensor in, you are good. I know I didn't mention it before. Let's see if I can get a good angle. Yeah, I know I didn't mention it before, but you want to push this shield back or pull it back to gain access, and then you can pull it back to cover it, because you want to keep it covered. As you can see, there's a harness there. Just make sure that it's good. The prongs are good, the wires are good, and there's nothing wrong with the wiring itself. And then you'll go ahead and you just plug that thing back in, and then we'll start it up and take it for a drive.